Perimeter is the total distance around a two-dimensional shape. Think of it as tracing the outline with a measuring tape. Let's break it down. For a rectangle, like a garden plot with sides of 5 meters and 3 meters, the formula is perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. So 2 times 5 plus 3 equals 16 meters. For a square, like a chessboard tile with each side 4 centimeters, it's 4 times the side length. So 4 times 4 equals 16 centimeters. Pause here. Try calculating the perimeter of a rectangle with an 8-meter length and 5-meter width. Answer revealed in 3, 2, 1. Got 26 meters? Nice work! Not all shapes are perfect. For irregular polygons, just add all the side lengths. Let's tackle this quirky shape. 2 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 5 centimeters equals 14 centimeters. Pro tip: label each side to avoid mistakes. Trust me, even pros do this. Perimeter isn't just for math class. Use it to buy the right amount of trim for a picture frame, plan a running route around your neighborhood, or design a DIY project. For example, a circular flower bed's perimeter, called circumference, uses the formula 2 times pi times radius. If the radius is 7 centimeters, 2 times 3.1, 4 times 7 equals 43.96 centimeters. How about a garden? Let's solve it. Suppose your garden is a rectangle with a length of 10 meters and width of 6 meters. Perimeter equals 2 times 10 plus 6, which equals 32 meters. You'd need 32 meters of fencing. Easy, right? Now you're ready to outsmart those rabbits. Comment below. What's the perimeter of a triangle with sides 7 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 12 centimeters? First 10 correct answers get a shout out. Thanks for watching. And remember, learn something new every day.